I'm very good. How about you?
Stress.
What's stressing you? Tell me. You can see if I can help.
That's okay. But thanks for the speedy delivery. I do appreciate this.
You hear that, guys? She's stressed, but she gets speed. Yeah, record? We record or we not record? We don't know what going on. She said thanks for the speedy delivery. She appreciated it. So that unstress you?
Very much so.
Very much so. She unstressed.
We have another delivery for me though.
Yeah? Yeah, you soon get a delivery.
When?
Whenever I come. Yeah, when it reach, I get it.
How long?
You get it when it reach, man. I love your hair.
Thanks.
Yeah. You guys like this hairstyle? Hey, listen to me, ladies. Don't go thief the lady hairstyle now when you see this, you know. This is lovely. What color is this?
I don't know. We're in a phase.
My face. It's lovely, guys.
Where's your
Grays.
grace?
It's all over my body. Yeah. The grays. I have the grays, but it's on my body. All right. You're more than welcome. Yeah. All right. You didn't get one of the cards? You know that we have the promotion now where when she signs up, all she has to do is to text your mailbox number to our US WhatsApp number and we'll give her a free coupon and give you a free coupon. Well, you should get a card, but you didn't get your card. I'm so sorry about that. But all right, guys, we have it on record. You don't want to record nothing else, but you want to record this. You see it though? All right, guys. Not at all. We have no problem at all. We love to give the discounts. Trust me. We live for it. All right. We love to give discounts. We live for it. All right, Nikki. Thank you so much. All right, guys. There's a link somewhere. Click on the link, and I will tell you where you can get your hair done like this. Okay? So make sure you click on the link and join us today. Thank you. Here.
All right.
So you good?